Let's welcome our next speaker and also our last speaker for tonight. Our next speaker is Professor Patrick Siau Chi Yin. Patrick is a professor of culinary arts from Sunway University. He is also a chef. There are a lot of interesting things about him, which I think he will share. He's going to talk about unity through chocolate. Just before he starts, he wants me to show you a picture. Let's take a look. Take a good look at this picture. And okay. Unity with chocolate, Professor Patrick Siau Chi Yin.
Hi, good evening. Thank you, Mr. Lee. Today, I'm the last speaker and also would like to share something that what we do during our class time. Okay, as Mr. Lee said, I'm the chef and also I'm a lecturer as well in university. Okay, recently, okay, I just finished a class called culinary artistry. Okay, and every semester we need to choose a topic. Okay, what we need to do and what we represent. Okay, and then from just now, the picture you see, okay, basically the whole thing is done by chocolate, okay, and also color. So we start from the bottom part of the sculpture, okay. The sharp spike, okay, there's what we always represent that challenges that we face when it comes to unity, you know, that's what this that the thing is sharp, you know, and also it can be in words by people, so it can be a lot of obstacle along the way. So this is the things that we need to go through it, okay? And of course, we need to do it together, okay? Then above that, there is a few pieces of green leaf. Leaf here basically represent something that reborn, okay? After you get hurt, okay, by all those sharp spike, okay, by these words that people hurt you. But we always tell ourselves, always reborn, okay? That what will make you better, okay? Which is bring up yourself, okay, and walk again. So that's why the leaf is there. Above the leaf, there's a flowers, a huge flower. The flower here basically is like everyone loves to receive flowers because this represent love, okay, and also something that we always call it as a passion, okay, and this is always is a driving force that for us to move forwards, okay. And the color we choose is red because it's about passion, okay, and love our life and love others as well. And you see above the flower, there is a abstract part, okay, of a human figures, okay. And from the photo, you already can see very clear that there is actually it's three pieces of this cut out, okay. It's all done by chocolate. These three pieces of cutout is basically is stick to each other. Okay, the meaning of it is basically like you have my back, I have your back. Okay, no matter what race you are, okay, how old we are, okay, what is our background like, you know. That's why the whole sculpture basically the ultimate goal. When we work together, we achieve the unity. Okay, and just imagine, okay, my class basically have about a 24, okay, I mean spread out, okay. So every semester we emphasize again the unity, okay, and sometimes we talk about passions, or sometimes we talk about adopt the stray, you know, all these things, okay, we need to reinforce again, even though in UC levels, okay, to our students, to our young one, do not forget the value, okay, of ourselves, okay, and treat others equally, okay. And when we want to have a better world, okay, better environment, unity is one of the keywords that we need to do together. Okay, so besides that, okay, chocolate is something that people like to consume, okay, and just share a little bit with you, okay. I myself as a pastry chef, okay, and Besides, I do pastry, I also do cooking as well. But what really made me feel great is when, okay, we share your food, okay, we share your story about your food with people, okay, that is the greatest happiness I always have. For example, every gathering we share our story, because food is bringing people together. When people gather, yeah, there's a lot of conversation, a lot of understanding. Okay, that's how unity start. There's no conflicts among people. Okay, just need to talk more, okay, and gather more. This is my point. Thank you, Mr. Lee.
Thank you, Patrick. Please stay on.
Yeah.
I'm just having a question because earlier on, Lowy was talking about intermittent fasting. We are talking about chocolate, which all of us love. But how do you stay on fit, so fit, despite all the good cooking, the pastry, and so on? Would you like to share that with us?
Basically, when I work, I don't eat because it's like basically it's like when we create we put the pastry as example. Okay, like today, I just produced a 400 small pastry for tomorrow event. So when we create something, we try. And when we try the things, okay, you feel it full because it's content of sugar. Okay, and our mindset is continue to work to finish the task. You see, by the time you finish the task, along the way you consume some sugar, some starch with you. So basically, how it make me feel full. Yeah, of course, when we stop working, which is weekend, there's a time that we really eat a lot. That is the issue. That's why it's better working.
Okay, thank you, Patrick.
Okay.